How to open a Gold IRA account in 2025. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Opening a Gold IRA account in 2025 is one of the smartest moves for investors seeking to diversify their retirement portfolio with physical assets that can hedge against inflation and market volatility. In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll walk you step by step through the process of how to open a Gold IRA, explain what you need to look for in a custodian, and show you how to avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a type of self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold and other IRS-approved precious metals instead of just stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. These accounts are specifically designed to hold physical assets like gold coins and bars that meet IRS purity standards. Unlike traditional IRAs managed by brokerage firms, Gold IRAs are typically managed by specialized custodians who can facilitate the purchase and secure storage of gold in approved depositories. Why open a Gold IRA account in 2025? There are several reasons investors are turning to precious metals in 2025. Inflation protection. Gold tends to retain value over time, especially when inflation devalues paper currencies. Market volatility hedge. When stock markets swing, gold often holds steady or rises. Portfolio diversification. Adding physical assets helps balance your risk. Weakened confidence in fiat currencies. Economic uncertainty is leading more investors to seek stable stores of value. With the rise of inflation concerns and volatile global markets, more investors are asking how to start a Gold IRA to protect their retirement assets. Step by step. How to open a Gold IRA account. 1. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian. You can't open a Gold IRA through most traditional brokerages. You'll need a self-directed IRA custodian who specializes in precious metals. The custodian is responsible for managing the account, ensuring IRS compliance, and handling the paperwork. What to look for in a Gold IRA custodian. Experience with gold and silver IRAs. Transparent fee structure. IRS-approved storage partners. Excellent customer reviews. 2. Fund your Gold IRA. Once you've chosen a custodian, the next step is to fund the account. You can do this in 3 ways. Transfer from an existing IRA, rollover from a 401k, 403(b), or other retirement account. Direct contribution. Subject to annual IRA limits. Your custodian will help guide you through the process, but be sure the funds move directly between custodians to avoid taxes or penalties. 3. Choose a reputable Gold IRA company. While your custodian manages the account, the Gold IRA company helps you select the metals, complete the purchase, and coordinate with the storage facility. These companies offer Gold IRA kits, investment advice, and educational resources. Top things to consider. Minimum investment requirement. Fees for purchasing and storage. Buyback policy. Variety of IRS-approved metals. 4. Select your gold and other precious metals. You can't just buy any gold and stick it in an IRA. The IRS has specific requirements. IRS-approved precious metals. Gold, 0.995 fineness or higher. Silver, 0.999 platinum, 0.9995 palladium, 0.9995. Popular IRA-eligible gold coins include American Gold Eagle, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, Australian Kangaroo Nugget. You can choose a mix of coins and bars, as long as they meet the fineness requirements. 5. Arrange for secure storage. By law, IRA gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You can't keep it at home. Your custodian and Gold IRA company will arrange storage at one of the authorized vaults across the U.S. Common storage options include Delaware Depository, Brinks Global Services, IDS, Texas. You can choose segregated, your metals stored separately, or commingled storage, your metals stored with others. 6. Monitor and manage your account. Once your Gold IRA is set up, you can track its performance and make adjustments as needed. Many custodians offer online portals so you can view balances and holdings. You can rebalance metals or add more. Sell metals back to your provider. Convert your Gold IRA back to cash or roll into a traditional IRA.
Here is GiveMeTheGold.com's recommendations of the best Gold IRA companies to do business with. These companies have been vetted on their reputation and reliability.
Hi, I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Picking the right precious metals company is important, so today we will go over 3 highly recommended companies from GiveMeTheGold.com. Our panel of experts have picked these companies based on reliability, customer service, and other factors. You can also see our complete list of companies and more information by going to our website at givemethegold.com. Our first recommendation is Augusta Precious Metals. They have been a trusted name in the precious metals industry since 2012. They are the top recommendation for accounts with $50,000 or more to invest. They combine their top education and white glove services to make it an all-around excellent experience for their investors. To get more information, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call them at 1-855-470-4636. Our next recommended company is Goldencrest Metals. They are a standout choice for investors seeking to start the Gold IRA journey with a minimum initial investment of only $10,000. Goldencrest Metals has a customer's first approach and great guidance by their professionals to help you get started. Visit their website at goldencrest.info. Our last recommended company for today is Colonial Metals Group. Colonial Metals Group stands out for its competitive promotional offers designed to give investors added value when starting a Gold IRA. They provide access to exclusive deals on precious metals and other perks for first-time clients, including a free safe. To get more information, visit freegoldkitnow.com. You can see all these links for your convenience underneath the video in the description. To see the extended list of all the company, visit the website at givemethegold.com. I'm Amelia from givemethegold.com. Wishing you the best in your financial endeavors, and thanks so much for watching.